Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to the online ELGA 16 class. Today we will cover day 1 of unit 1. The theme of this unit is poetry. Children, do you know what is a poem or how do we identify a poem? Let's learn about it. A poem is a piece of writing that has less words, stanzas and lines, rhyming words, strong feelings, and musical quality. So, when you see a piece of writing which has less words, stanzas and lines, rhyming words, strong feelings, and musical quality, understand that what you are reading is a poem. Let's see an example. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. So, what is this, children? Yes, it's a poem. Not because we read it in childhood, but because it has all the things that a poem needs to have. So, what all things does a poem need to have, children? Yes, it needs to have less words. As you can see in this, there are very less words. A poem needs to have stanzas and lines. As you can see, there is a stanza and some lines in this poem. Children, in poems, we don't have paragraphs, we have stanzas. Also, poem needs to have rhyming words. So, as you can see, there are some rhyming words like star and are, high and sky. So, these are rhyming words. And a poem needs to have strong feelings and musical quality. And because of the thing musical quality, all songs are considered as poems. I hope you understood what a poem is now. Okay, children, so if that's a poem, what's a prose? Let us learn about prose too. So, a prose is an everyday piece of writing that has many words, more explanation, paragraphs and sentences, no rhyming words, and no musical quality. So, the difference between poem and prose is that only that when we read about poems, we say that poems have less words, whereas prose has many words. There are very less or no explanation given in poems, whereas explanation is more in prose. Poems have stanzas and lines, whereas prose have paragraphs and sentences. There are rhyming words in poems, whereas there are no rhyming words in prose. Poems have musical quality, whereas prose has no musical quality. Let us understand it deeply with an example. As you can see, children, that there are two types of writings. So, are these two types of writings the same, children? No, these two types of writings are not the same. So, what is the difference between them? Yes, one is a poem and the other is a prose. The one which is given on the left side is a poem, and the one which is given on the right side is prose. Because of the same reasons that we have discussed, that poems have less words, stanzas and lines, rhyming words, strong feelings, and musical quality. And as you can see on the right hand side, prose is there. So we have discussed about prose also, that it has more words, it has more explanation, it is given in sentences and paragraphs, it has no strong feelings, and it has no musical quality. So, all the things are being justified in this way. Okay, children, so now it's your turn to guess the right thing. Take a minute and identify which one is a poem and which one is a prose. Time's up. Yes, mashallah, you guessed it right. The one which is on the left side is a poem, and the one which is on the right side is a prose. Hope you have understood the difference between poetry and prose, dear children. Keep practicing it. See you in the next video. Jazakumullah khair.